In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contact details in Insightly. Whether you're updating a phone number, modifying an address, or adding new information to your contacts, this tutorial will guide you through the process in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This might be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you usually use to surf the internet. In the search bar at the top, type Insightly and press Enter. This will lead you to the Insightly login page, a crucial step to access the contact management features we'll be working with in this session. Once you've arrived at the Insightly homepage, the next step is to log in. You'll need to enter your username and password. This login information is essential to access your data, so make sure you have it handy. Once you've logged in, you'll be presented with Insightly's dashboard. This area gives you access to all your project management and customer relationship management tools. Next, you'll focus on finding the Contacts tab. You can usually find this tab on the navigation menu at the top of your Insightly dashboard. Click on Contacts to view all the contacts that you have stored in Insightly. Here you'll see a list of all your contacts, laid out in a clear and organized manner. Now, let's locate the specific contact whose details need updating. You can scroll through the list or use the search function if you have many contacts. Once you've found the contact, click on their name. This click will open their detailed profile page. On the Contacts page, you'll see an Edit button, likely located at the top right or near the contact details. Click this button to open the contact record for modification. This step allows you to make changes to the contact's information. Now, with the record open for editing, you can proceed to update any relevant fields. Whether it's changing a phone number, updating an address, or modifying any other details, you can do it all from here. Take your time to ensure that all the new information is entered correctly. Once you're satisfied with the updates, look for the Save button. It's usually at the bottom or top of the page, and clicking it will save all the changes you've made. This step is crucial to ensure that your updates are stored in Insightly. And that's it. You've successfully edited contact details in Insightly. By following these steps, you can ensure your contact information remains accurate and up to date. If you're working in a team, this also helps in maintaining a smooth workflow, ensuring everyone has access to the most current contact details. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.